Road trip tips for parents with children. Top 3 tips. Ready, go. Number 1 is check the installation and fit of your child's car seat or booster seat before your trip. Kids grow quickly, and you may find that their seat needs some adjustments or needs some changes to the install, and that's going to keep your child safer. It's going to keep them more comfortable, which means your trip is probably going to go a little smoother. Tip 2 is be mindful of projectiles as you're packing and loading the car. Any unsecured item in your car can become a projectile. It can get thrown around the vehicle's interior and injure an occupant during a crash. So be mindful of that as you're loading up. Keep large, hard, and heavy items in the cargo area or trunk where they belong. And be mindful of the types of things you are keeping in the back seat with your children. Look for lightweight, flexible, or soft toys and books to entertain them. Obviously, you may not be able to completely eliminate projectiles, but you can reduce your risk by stowing items appropriately and packing lower risk items for entertainment. And tip number 3 is plan for breaks. At least 15 minutes about every 2 hours. Everyone in the car should get out of it and stretch. Get kids out of their car seats, including babies. Get them out of their infant seat, feed and change them. Consider bringing like a picnic blanket and laying it out somewhere and letting them roll around and move. Let your kids run somewhere. Maybe find a park or a rest stop that's got some grassy area so they can burn some energy. And as the driver, this benefits you too. Taking that stretch break, getting that circulation going, helps re-energize you, helps prevent blood clots, and it helps prevent driver fatigue. A tired driver can be a dangerous driver. So that 15-minute break about every 2 hours benefits everybody in the vehicle, as well as others on the road. So fit and install check your seats before you go. Be mindful of projectiles and plan for about a 15-minute break about every 2 hours. Safe travels, everyone.